Hi everyone, today I will show you how to install and run Cubase Elements on multiple computers. And after paying, Steinberg will give you a code to activate. And after activation, the license stored on your computer is called Soft Licenser. The soft licenser is installed locally on your hard drive. That means you can only use the software on the computer with the installed and activated license. We cannot use the activation code for another computer. Therefore, we need to buy the USB licenser to transfer license. We go to Steinberg website for authorization, and as you can see, the shipping cost is much expensive. Because I come from Southeast Asia, Vietnam, the shipping cost is higher than the device. Firstly, the USB licenser needs to be inserted into the USB slot on your computer, which you have activated the license code. Then you launch the licenser control center. There are three main sections to the licenser control center: My Licenses, USB licenser, and Soft licenser. So, if you want to install and use the software you have purchased on a number of different computers, you can pick up on the license from the soft licenser and read it over into the USB licenser. You cannot reverse the license transfer, so think carefully before making the selection. And after that, you plug the USB licenser into another computer. Then you run the Cubase element installation from the download assistant. You can see my installation on the screen. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.